guys, welcome to a video, and today I'm going to be doing some more Friday Night Funkin' since people have been watching my last one, so alright, here we go. So I'm just going to go to a solo and see what I can do. Today I'm going to be doing Demise. It's from the Monica mod in the real Friday Night Funkin'. But, alright. Here we go. Oop, missed one there. Alright, well, that's the first song, and, well, I guess I'll just do another one, since we have some time left in this video. A lot of time, really. That wasn't my best on that one, really. Well, Well, I'm about to be challenged, I suppose. So, yeah, so let's start that. Ooh, okay. I have something up my sleeve that I don't think they're gonna be able to do, so. Oh, they're going for artificial? Unnormal. Well, that's strange. Well, it's a 50-50 chance, so either one's fine, really. Though I wish they would go on hard mode. They're going easy on me. I haven't seen this mod yet, so I have no idea. I believe I've done this once before. Maybe even a few times, though. Oof, I missed that one. Okay, that was... I have reason to believe that they might just be spamming the buttons, which is what I used to do, but now I've learned. I kind of use this as a practice for the real game, which my brother has on the computer, and he isn't home very often, so I'm not able to play that yet. But I will in future video. So this is normal mode? Okay, this is I don't know. Well, they're okay at it. Actually, like they're not half bad, so. Yes. Okay. I'm just a little happy that I won that time because I haven't won a whole lot. I've mostly just been doing a lot of solos, so it was kind of hard for me to get any points, really. Alright, so if they want to go again, or anyone else wants to do it, then alright, I'm all for it. So they want to do Space Boy, which I have no idea what that is. Never done it before, so I probably won't. I won't be very good. Alright. Well, I guess I could just try to vote for this one, and if it doesn't work, then that's fine. Ooh, it worked. Nice. I think I might lose on this one, really. Well, even if I lose, no, I tried my best. Well, it's okay anyways. Oh, I missed a ton of arrows. GG's to them. We have time for one more song, so, and then the video is over. So, here it goes. Alright, I'm gonna let them choose this time. Oof, I don't even know what that is. Well, I guess I gotta try. I believe that I will be doing gospel in the next video. This isn't too bad, so. Alright, well, maybe I can try to fit in one more song, maybe a short one. I'll just do release if they want to, then, well, that's on them, and release is a short one, so we'll be able to do it. Oh wait, no, it's fading shorter then. Alright, so I hope they don't choose, oh, okay. Okay, song 3 is a little long, but I'm trying to squeeze it in. Oh, yes, nice. Alright, it was 1 minute long, so. Well, that will be it for today's video, and thank you for watching, and sorry about my schedule. I just post whenever I can. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.